Hi friends, my name is Nayan Deepak Magdum and I'm basically from Maharashtra, Sangli. I am into meditation since now few years. People think that for them meditation is like just sitting and doing like this and just focusing. For me it has been very different kind of experiences. I read and searched a lot about different personalities in real life, be it you say Sandeep Maheshwari, be it Sadhguruji, be it Patriji, be it Brahma Kumari, Shivani, or etc. etc. I tried exploring myself by myself about all these people, their methods and ways of meditation, and whatever I read and whatever I heard from videos and around like knowledge around me, I got to know the depth of meditation and the importance of it. So, meditation and is being in the state of mind where you are still. So, is it meditation about just sitting and doing like this? Can you do it like for whole lifetime, just sitting doing like this? In this, if you have accepted this birth as like in modern world, I feel you should do your karma, right karma. That's what I believe, and what it means exactly. For me, meditation is doing anything with full of love, full of involvement, and by being conscious mindset, giving 110% to it, and being in that particular present moment. So when you do it, you are already in that state of mind where you are like happy. You don't need to be happy. Happiness is within already, it's there in you. We just need to like see it, and to see it, meditation will help us. So it's as simple as that. I got to learn very small things. I realized about myself, like discovering ourselves, own self is also a journey. So what am I doing wrong, what am I doing right? Okay, is it there any right or wrong thing? Is it there? Does it exist? Positive, negative, whatever we talk. If it is yes, then what is it? So all these small questions, whatever I have had, I got to know all the answers from meditation only. So I would like to highlight one more point here. If we observe, like in ancient times when people used to do farming and all, they used to do with full of their heart. Like मतलब उस वक्त इतना technology नहीं था that there is no technology to distract you from that one particular thing, to disturb you while doing it. But in today's modern world, you have your mobile phone, you have your again another business card, another phone for like just business calls, personal call alag, business call alag, and then you have computer, laptop in front of you, TV is behind you, and people are watching TV. So there is lot of lot of things happening together at one time. So you can't focus on one particular thing. You can't give justice to one particular small thing. Even while reading nowadays, we get distracted by our thoughts. Why? This is because modern kind of lifestyle what we are trying to absorb and get into. As per the time, the Prachin Yuga and Kali Yuga, the need of meditation is now because of distractions in real life. And yes, world is changing, so we need to get into our roots, and our Indian literature is always there to help us, to guide us. As they say, to be in present, you need to use our past experiences to learn, and to so that we can have that speed pace thoda sa zyada, and to achieve our future plans. So meditation really helps a lot, and I have experienced it. I have experienced law of attraction. I have tried it, I have applied it on, I have done certain things to achieve something, and it had happened. So small incidents I would love to mention. I belong from middle class family, and my family members were a little bit orthodox. So they were like, I wanted to go to Mumbai to do my MBA, and everyone was like, no, your parents won't allow you to go. And me knowing my parents, they love me a lot, I was like, okay, they love me, will they allow me? Okay, they love me, then they should allow me, right? But what should I do to convince them? So I started, as I read about a lot about law of attraction, chalo, I'll try something new. I started experiment that, like, to have that experience. Like, I started packing my bags, I started behaving like I'm there in, already I'm there, I have convinced them. So 15 days, I still remember, 15 days I was daily talking to my dad in small patches, and was convincing him for, that I want to go, why I want to do it. And very peacefully, very with all my love, with all my heart, I convinced him. It was not like I was going against him and doing it. When I went, he himself was very happy. The day we reached, he himself asked me, are you happy now? Like, you are here in Mumbai? I said yes. And that's where I got to know it works. So it works, that means you should do it in your life, right? Like, whatever works for you, you should do it. There is nothing wrong in it. So meditation is one of them, where you can, keep yourself on track, and that can help you to evolve as a human being. And your spiritual knowledge will always guide you to achieve next level in life. Wherever you want to go, whatever you want to achieve, you can achieve it. That belief, spiritual knowledge and meditation will give you. Wanted to have my own business, I always wanted to be an entrepreneur, and that was back in my head always. But what kind of business, I was not knowing. So I figured it out. I checked my options, whatever, for MBA, and I got to know that my interest is towards creativity. Okay, so I decided to go with being event planner, wedding designer. When we talk about work nowadays, most of the people I have observed, they are not happy with their work. So I have been through this also. So to learn this business, I joined one wedding designer, I joined one company, I worked with them, I enjoyed, I learned a lot from them, but the pressure and other things were disturbing me, and there were certain issues happening with me. While working, I used to be fully into that. Like, there were things, just say, I was not getting affected. So I realized this is kind of meditation for me. How? Suppose in events we have like next day target, like tomorrow morning there's wedding by 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock is the wedding time. That is the muhurta time. In Indian culture, they believe a lot. They don't compromise with timings and all. We'll have to give our setup and everything ready to client, to guest by that time. Do whatever you want to do for it. You don't have any other option for it. You cannot give excuses or like late ho gaya, if you're late, if you're this and that. No. So from there, I started realizing the pressure of work. But I took that pressure in positive way, in certain way. Okay, theek hai. So I have 8 hours in my hand. So in 8 hours, I will have to give this work done, job done, right? So sometimes, what happened, ki I used to get exhausted. 8 hours continuous work, mind is continuous chattering and doing work, figuring out like plans and with creativity. So, what I started, okay, I'll take half an hour break for me, myself. I'll have tea for 15 minutes and I'll sit with myself without doing anything else. Without doing anything else is one option. Otherwise, you can listen to music, you can read a book, whatever you love to do. Okay, so that half an hour will give you that recharge again, and that can boost your energy, and you can get back to work with additional energy. So you won't feel exhausted. So I just want to say, for all these things, meditation really helps. And for me, again, I repeat, what is meditation? Meditation is state of mind where you are still, and whatever you are doing, you are focused. You are completely into that with all your heart, with all your love. You're enjoying the whole process, and you know yourself. Personal life is different and work life is different, right? So personal life and work life, it's I think it's interrelated. I feel, well, if you're not happy in your personal life, that energy will of course reflect in work life. You'll while if you're working, back of the mind, like if you have had a fight with your like mom or dad or like your spouse, at work you can't be happy, right? So matlab, that's our human nature. That's very simple thing. So for that, meditation helps us. So for that personal things, we can have our other, like methods of meditation and whatever it's been said. Even having food with your kids, with all your heart, with all your love, with all involvement, is kind of meditation. You don't need to, I'm again repeating, you don't need to sit just like this all the time. So we can do that. And also while working, we can consciously use our energy in right things with right companies, and we can achieve whatever we want. I just want to say that one small thing, that knowing yourself and doing meditation, these both things can make miracles in life. And we should know our power, which is given by Him, the supreme power. Whatever we have got from God, we are God gifted. We all are God gifted with some talent. You have something, I have something. So we should know that what is it, and we should enjoy this beautiful life. And I just feel very grateful that I can share my experiences with you. Thank you so much. All the best.